Hey students, welcome to your last parable analysis for part 4 of the novel. You're almost there. So, again, remember there's 4 parts of the novel. You're on the very last part. Each part begins with a parable, and you're on your very last parable. And the parable establishes the theme of each part. So go ahead and give this parable, we already have a sneak peek of one of the themes. Go ahead and give this parable a read, and then we'll talk about what themes you could choose from to analyze this parable, to figure out kind of what hints it gives you for the rest of the novel. All right, go ahead and give it a read. All right, so hopefully you've read it. I really like this one, and this is another one I really enjoy. And within this one, there's a bunch of themes to check out. So we have generations can offer valuable lessons to each other, which is very interesting. We have, is innocence a positive or negative characteristic? We have, to see evil, one must know evil, meaning they have evil within. And then also, one can lose innocence but maintain joy. And I kind of think some of these themes work together. So you might talk about more than one in your analysis, though you might not. Yeah, and I really like this. Yeah, this is a really good parable. There's a lot of really good things to say about it. I like the idea of generations can offer valuable lessons to each other, with the idea that we traditionally think of kind of like the grandparent imparting knowledge on the child, but here the child is actually imparting knowledge to the grandmother, and she's imparting knowledge to the child. So it goes both ways, which is really nice, and I think a really nice theme for the book. So through this should say fourth parable. What theme does Amy Tam establish for part 4? So we're on part 4. And so you have 6 devices that you can choose from. You have reversal, you have juxtaposition, repetition, allusion, dialogue, and rhetorical question. So choose which device you would like to use for your analysis, and you might choose the device because it best links to the theme you'd like to focus on, or you might just kind of choose the device that interests you and see what theme comes out of it. It's up to you. But we have the definition of the themes and the purpose of the theme to help you. Remember, you need to have your what, your how, and your why. And you can always go back to that first sample analysis for help if you aren't quite sure how to write this analysis. All right, you've done this 3 times before. I have all confidence in you that you're going to do a stellar job this 4th and final time. And also, I hope that you enjoy part 4 of the book. I hope you enjoy how it goes. All right. If you have any questions, GChat me, email me, see me during office hours. Bye.